Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by doing quick checks. Ensure Uipath Studio and the browser extension are installed and enabled, and the target web app is open and logged in. Once done, switch to Studio and select Record, then choose Web or App depending on the interface you'll automate. Make sure to select the correct browser from the drop-down. This ties clicks and selectors to that environment. Click Start to begin capturing actions, and position windows so you can perform tasks without overlapping or obstructing elements. You now perform the sequence of user actions at a moderate pace. Click, type, select, and navigate while the recorder logs activities. If a page updates dynamically, pause and wait for stable elements before proceeding. After recording, inspect the generated workflow. Replace brittle selectors with robust anchors or attribute-based selectors so the process is resilient. Insert explicit weights, element exists checks, and use indicate on screen to capture hard-to-detect controls. These refinements keep your automation reliable across slight UI changes. You finish by stopping the recorder and saving the workflow, then run it in debug mode with representative input to verify behavior. Watch logs for selector mismatches or timeout errors, and when you see failures, adjust timeouts, add retries, or switch to simulate click and type for faster, more reliable input. If a step still breaks, re-record only the problematic action or open UI Explorer to refine the selector. One key troubleshooting tip: when selectors change frequently, prefer stable attributes or parent anchors to avoid repeated breaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.